Mombasa, the city of endless sunshine, rich history, and vibrant culture. For years, DevFest Pwani has brought together brilliant minds right here in the heart of a beautiful city.
From the ancient walls of Fort Jesus, where history whispers the tales of innovation and resilience, we've always looked to the future, and this year, we're taking a monumental leap. Imagine this. What if these very walls could tell us stories, not just from the past, but predict the future? What if we could use intelligence, not just human, but artificial intelligence, to understand our heritage better and build stronger legacies? At the Mama Ngina waterfront, where our coastal community gathers, dreams are shared, where connections are made.
We are talking about scalable solutions.
Think about it. How can AI help us manage our beautiful coastline more effectively, predict weather patterns for our fishermen, or even create more personalized experiences for every visitor, making every moment here more memorable? And in the heart of Old Town, where every corner tells a story, every craft is a legacy, we find the essence of sustainability. How can AI help our local businesses thrive for generations and optimize supply chains for unique products?
Or even assisting in preserving these very historical sites and making sure its beauty lasts forever.
We're not just building for today, we're building for tomorrow and the many tomorrows after that. From revolutionizing healthcare to optimizing agriculture,
from smart cities initiative to personalized education,
AI is the key to unlock a future where technology serves humanity in the most impactful ways. Are you ready to innovate,
to collaborate,
to build a future where AI empowers the communities and preserves our planet?
starting right here in Mombasa.
Join us at DevFest Pwani 2025. Connect with experts, learn cutting-edge skills, and be part of the community shaping tomorrow.